What's up friends, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Ghibli style image using your photo or any other photo that you have. And the amazing platform that I want to share with you today is VisualGPT. This platform has a ton of different AI tools that you can actually use, and with over 100 image models, guys. I'm talking about image models such as Nano Banana Pro, guys. Insane. And you can look at the upper right hand side, you have a bunch of little ideas what you can use here. And I'm going to show you a bunch of different tools right here, as you can see on my screen, that you can actually use. But let's get right into it so I can show you how to create a Ghibli style image. Now, all you have to do is quickly sign in with your email address. And if you have a Google one, it's even better. You can quickly sign in to create an account and you can try it out for free. And I have a bunch of credits right here, so I'm going to use my credits to create that Ghibli style image for you. And on top of that, I'm going to create loads of different tutorials showing you how to use different tools within this platform so that you can see how it actually works and the results. So later on, if you want to go ahead and purchase some credits or you want to purchase a subscription, you can go ahead and do that. But at least you'll be able to see how the tool works, and so that you don't have to just spend your money first without knowing what you're actually getting. But I can tell you it's been mind-blowing so far. So let's get started. Now I'm going to go ahead and just simply choose, for example, AI image generator right here. And on the left side, you can see a ton of different tools that you can actually use, right? And so I'm going to go ahead and look for the image to cartoon or photo to cartoon option right here. And so right here, you can see that you can do custom, which we can basically put your prompt and just basically type the prompt what you want to generate in Ghibli style, right? And but in this case, I'm going to use my own image, and I'm going to just click here, find my image, select my image. And so I'm going to ensure that I have Ghibli style selected. Now, once you add your image and you select the Ghibli style, you can now just go ahead, scroll down and click and generate. And it is super fast, guys. What it actually does, let me just click it again. My image didn't finish generate there, but you can see that it's gonna generate super fast, 20 to 40 seconds, and you have a Ghibli style image. Fantastic, right? So this is super, super quick. And yeah, go ahead and check it out, guys. I think that, I've been using this tool for a while. And to be honest, I've been just having loads of fun by using it to generate all different things. I'm talking from using my image or my son's image or my wife's image, or even just to generate random images. It's just been mind blowing, the quality what you can actually do. And what I really like, that when you generate the images, you also have other AI tools that you can use to complement it, such as the AI enhancer or background remover, even whatever. There's a loads of different AI tools that you can actually use. Now, have a look at this. So this is my original image, and this is the Ghibli style image that it generates. I wonder who that is in the background. But you get the general idea, right? So one thing I must say, that I wish if it actually had me, let's say, darker, because it kind of be like a white kid or white guy. I don't know why, but you get the idea. So in your case, you can go ahead and test it out. But once you have your image generated, you can just simply go ahead and click and download right here in the upper right. And yeah, you can even continue to edit it, rework it, do whatever you want, and you can even make it better, right? So that's how it is. Now, that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple.